it is Laudiaann, and this is, yes, it's Fifi. Fifi is now 5 months old, and we had her since April 27th. And today it is June the 12th. So we've had her for about a month. Yeah. And she's getting used to us now. She did grow a little bit, but tomorrow she's gonna have a little trim. Oh, this Fifi has become Mama's dog, whereas Gigi was Daddy's dog. This one wants me all the time, 24/7. Once she sees me, she wants attention. She takes up all my time, don't you? Tell everybody you take up all my time. And your hair's growing, so you're gonna get a trim. And I've been giving her a bath every week because outside we have grass, but we have dirt, and she gets dirty really fast. And then you love to play outside and you start smelling. Then I have to clean you up. But you don't mind. All right, it's usually her bedtime right now, so she's quiet. But today she was just barking and barking outside. I don't know why you were barking today, but yesterday, I mean. But hopefully today you'll be okay, right? Isn't she cute? What I love about Fifi is her tail behind her. It's just black right there. I'm picking on you. You're too tired. She's tired. I have to go to bed now because she wants to go to bed. Okay. Well, anyway, I just wanted to make a video and show you my Fifi. She is growing, and just look at her. She's just like a baby. I don't know what to do with this little one, but Fifi's very different than Gigi. I do miss Gigi once in a while. I did cry a little bit the other day, just thinking about her. And Gigi was a sweet little girl. But now, this one here is like a sister. Different personality, for sure. Whereas the other one would be jealous. Gigi would be jealous if I paid attention to my husband. She would growl. She was a mama's dog. She was a daddy's dog. That's for sure. This one, she'll go to her daddy. But then once she sees me, she just follows me. Wants me. Oh, she's tired. Okay, we go to bed. I was rearranging. I am going to be going live at whatnot.com, my first show. So I actually don't know how it works. So I have to play around. I put a post on Facebook. I'm supposed to go live tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. So if you're watching me, Friday at 9 o'clock, around 9:03 or 9:04, I'm not sure, but 9 o'clock, go to whatnot.com and find me, Laudiaann, SYL, which the first three letters of my last name. That's my username. It is posted on my profile on Facebook. So you can click on that link and you'll see me. The items that I will be selling. I know a lot of you guys can't go to my markets and you want to know what the items I am selling. Well, look, check it out right there, right behind you, right behind me. Okay, so there's three things I am selling, and they're not going for auction, and that is the dragon. Let me show you the dragon. It's the Chinese red dragon, and if you want to know the price, actual price of this, what I usually sell, I sell these dragons at my markets. The last one I made was is actually a blue one. I made for me, for myself, and it's actually over there. But this one's gonna sell in the morning. Whoever's interested in my Chinese dragon, go ahead and get it. I'm also gonna buy it now button for the koi fish, which is this. This is the koi fish that I'm going to be selling, and the mushroom man. Okay, so you want to check out the prices. I'm going to have to just come to whatnot.com and download the app. All right, and start bidding. But those three items I just showed you are not for bidding. You have to. It's a buy button. Okay. And everything else here is all for auction. So, if you guys are interested in the in the stitch keychain, that is going to be auctioned out, and it's really cute. All these items, I got the chicken, I got the tulip flower, and in the show I'm actually going to bring it up to you so you can start bidding. I have so much inventory that I have to get rid of. And then I have to send another package to my auntie. All right, this is her package. And I have actually made her, I want to share it with you all. I made her 5 Hello Kitty keychain. And these are the things that she's requesting. I made her 5 clownfishes. There's 5 of these in the bag. Now, I am going to auction 1 clownfish. If you're interested, it's right here. There's the clownfish hanging. Oh, my little dog is... Okay, you're going to go down here. She's tired. And I'm sending her... Hey. It's the Moana bird. Hey. I actually made her 5 of those. And what did I make her? Oh, the stitches. Okay. This is part of her inventory. What's in the bottom here? Oh, those are the stitches. I do have to finish her Pikachu keychains. I haven't done it. I need to finish it. they're in here. Yes. And then these are more that I have to make for me, to sell. But I'm not done yet, but these are the Pikachu keychains that I'm going to send her. I have to put the red and the mouth, I think, the nose. I don't know how I want to do it, but these are hers. And I'll probably just send her 4. I have other things I have to make for her because she's already paid me. And it's a lot of things I have to make for her. Some cats with the blanket. I know that's, I have to make her some minions. These are the minions, and I do have to make her some bees, but they'll be in the next package. Now this is for auction. Okay. A lot of cute items I'm going to be selling online, and if you're interested, go ahead and buy one. Okay. Well, I'm going to let you guys all go. I will talk to y'all later. Bye for now, and take care. See you all later.